LeadSquared Review. App: the pros, the cons. If your business relies on sales and marketing automation, the LeadSquared app promises to help you manage lead campaigns and analytics on the go, but is it worth using daily? One of the biggest pros is lead management. Most people get this wrong by thinking desktop software is required for tracking prospects. LeadSquared lets you capture leads, assign them to team members, and monitor follow-ups directly from your phone. Push notifications remind you of upcoming tasks or pending actions, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Another advantage is campaign tracking. You can monitor email campaigns, track conversions, and view reports in real time, which helps you adapt strategies quickly. Integration with tools like CRM, telephony, and email platforms keeps all data in sync and centralized. However, there are cons. Some users find the app slightly slower on the desktop version, especially when handling large datasets. Certain advanced reporting features may not be fully available on mobile, requiring you to switch to the web portal. Additionally, customization options can be tricky to navigate for new users. In conclusion, the LeadSquared app is a robust mobile solution for managing leads and marketing campaigns efficiently. The surprising truth is that while it brings a lot of desktop functionality to mobile, it still benefits from occasional web-based use for deeper insights. For businesses seeking to stay on top of leads, tasks, and campaigns from anywhere, LeadSquared is highly effective, but keep the desktop platform handy for full functionality.